Base goes right wide to Jost, up to Barry. Fake the one-timer. Far shot, it's Jost. Walks in. Rantanen in the corner. To Barry. There's a one-timer. Score! It slips through Carter Hutton. It might have been deflected by Tyson Jost. But the Avs get a power play goal, and they take an early 1-0 lead.
Great puck movement. From the time that they stepped onto the ice, they were moving the puck. It was dumped out of the zone one time, but there was great movement by the Avalanche on this power play. And when I talk about movement, Mose, what I'm talking about is when one guy gets the puck, if he's moving and no one else is, that's not movement. When all five guys are moving, getting themselves into position, you saw Jost on the far side on the wall, get the puck down low, then drive into the middle. I think he does touch this one. He'll get his first goal, his first point of the season.
Wilson at the blue line, back down the boards. 10 seconds to go on the power play. Taken by Comfort out of Sam Girard. Long shot, that's blocked. Another shot. Score! Colin Wilson got the rebound off the leg, and he pounds it inside the far post as the Avalanche taking a 2-0 lead. 2 power play goals here in period number 1.
Now here's a chance earlier on a pass from Girard and Wilson, who, I mean, he has been terrific so far, and now he's going to get that goal. A shot by Girard is sort of blocked. It goes right out to Wilson, who snaps it home, who's right in front. Big Soderberg and the Avalanche, a perfect power play. And you know who's going to pick up an assist on this? Comfort. That's his fourth point. He has now had points in all 4 quietly in all 4 games for the Avs. U.S.-born players to be that #1 pick overall, especially a defenseman.
Fork out in front, shot, score! Carl Soderberg! Another goal for the Soderberg line, and big old Carl rifles it home to put the Avs on top by a score of 3-0. Soderberg, his 3rd goal in 4 games.
And I would think, Mose, you and I could agree that the best forwards for the Avalanche to this point have been Wilson and Soderberg for the Avalanche, and they both score here tonight. And then you couple it with the idea that for the Avalanche, Jost gets a goal, Barry gets an assist, the power play has a couple of goals. Whatever coach said, you bottle it and you say it every night, because this has just been a terrific first period.
That one deflected wide, went into the corner, but is kept in by the Sabres, at least momentarily anyway. Back he comes to Beaulieu, and he drilled another one on the goal post. They score! You can't take that one back. Buffalo trailing 3-1.
That was definitely much needed for the Sabres here with 2:55 left. And just coming off another power play, not able to generate a ton. Here just down low, just winning some battles along the wall. Puck comes to Beaulieu, wastes no time. Quick shot, and Varlamov, he could see that puck coming. He just misplayed it. You see it bounces around. He's not sure where it is in the last second. He realizes it's going south of the goal line. It's in the net, so quick shot by Beaulieu, getting it in there nice and hard. And Varlamov not able to handle it.
And Buffalo's 20th shot of the game results in their first goal.
Going up by 2. And you want to take advantage of not taking any more penalties.
It forces the turnover, straight pass shot, score! Nathan MacKinnon! And the Avs get the goal right back as Scandella busts his stick down on the ice. MacKinnon immediately restores the 3-goal lead.
Now the big line comes up with a big play, because you know Buffalo is going to have a little jump after scoring, but the big line comes up. Rantanen finds MacKinnon. Good work down low. Stayed on the puck. Gets it. Nice pass. MacKinnon fires it. Now MacKinnon's had goals in each of his 4 games. Rantanen picks up his 2nd assist. Now 6 points in 4 games, and the Avalanche get the 3-goal lead.
An effortless little flick of the wrist there by MacKinnon to ring it inside the post. Peter, look how calm he looks. Long stretch pass, finds the target, a breakaway for Kerfoot. He'll walk in, shoots, and he hit the crossbar. Did it go in? It's in. The Avs with a 5-1 lead over Buffalo. It went right underneath the crossbar and popped right back out. Terrific goal by Alexander Kerfoot, but what an absolutely beautiful stretch pass.
That's perfect. I mean, Barry sees him the whole way. That's 75, 80 feet right on the tape, and he made no mistake. where was it that he hit? He had the penalty shot in exhibition game. And he said that's his go-to play. Wait, top shelf, glove side.